Hey guys, and welcome back to another Rainbow Playmaker slime video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate, the best, the easiest white glue slushy slime. It's super popular on Instagram. It's a trending slime right now, and I am going to give you all of my secrets so that you can create it at home. If you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. Hit that like button, subscribe, turn on the bell, and comment down below what video you would like to see next. I will read the comments, check out your suggestions, and try to throw them into my lineup. Thank you guys so much for being here. Let's jump right into the video and get started. So the first thing you want to do is add about 1 cup of school glue to your bowl, and then go in with a bunch of lotion. You could do 3 to 5 pumps of lotion. Do not add foam soap. I repeat, do not add foam soap. I added foam soap to this just because it's such a force of habit for me because I use foam soap in pretty much all of my slimes. Don't add foam soap to this recipe. So after you add your lotion to your glue mixture, you mix it all up. You can add color if you want. Then you want to go in with your activator. Activate with 1 teaspoon of borax dissolved in 1 cup of water. You add it a little bit at a time until the slime comes together. Then you want to go in with some slushy beads. So these are the slushy beads that I'm using. You can use, there's so many different types of slushy beads. These are just ones that I had on hand, but they work pretty well. I like them. But yeah, there's a wide range of slushy beads that you can use. So the amount of slushy beads you add just depends on your preference. You can go in with just the 1/4 cup like I did in the beginning, or you could just keep adding like you will see me doing throughout this entire video. So I tend to like a fuller slushy bead slime. So I like to add more. So I'm going to go in with a little more here. So I think in total for this whole video, I think I did about a cup of slushy beads, and I feel like I could have done more. So that's something you're just gonna have to figure out whether you want it to be more of a fuller slushy slime or, you know, a thinner one. So that's just something that you can decide. So the reason I didn't add the foam soap, but I technically did, but I don't want you to, is I feel like when I add foam soap to this type of slime, it creates fallout. So I definitely would just leave the foam soap out. Why, you might ask, does it create fallout? I don't know for sure that it does, but I just feel like every time I've added foam soap to my white glue slushy slimes that there has been some fallout when normally there isn't any fallout. So just a tip on fallout. You want your slime base to be a little stickier than you would normally have it if you were just making like a milky slime or a thick and glossy slime. That way it holds your beads better. So that is kind of a prerequisite for this type of slime. You want it to remain a little on the sticky side. If you happen to overactivate it, you will notice more bead fallout. So just keep those little tips in mind. But that's pretty much it. That's how you do it. It's so easy. It's such a fun slime to play with. It has really fun bubble pops when you fluff it up. I'm going to add sprinkles. For some reason it looks like rice pudding to me. So I'm just going to add some colorful sprinkles on top and mix those in. And that's all there is to it, you guys. Comment down below all your questions. I will do my best to answer them, or just comment what's on your mind. I love hearing all your comments, reading all your comments, and responding to you guys. Interacting with you guys is probably the funnest part of doing these videos. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I almost just knocked over my tripod, scrunching up that slime. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Love you guys.